Rise of electric cars and autonomous vehicles are indicator of revolution going on in automobile industry. With the rise of technologies like Internet of Things, robotics, artificial intelligence and machine learning, automobile industry have seen significant changes in last few decades. The utopian image of future with cars running on eco-friendly fuels and driving on its own is not far away now. Hello everyone, I am Varun and in this episode 5 of the series, we are going to look at the future of automobile industry. Four major trends known as CASE, which stands for Connected, Autonomous, Shared and Electric, are shaping the future of automobile industry. One of the major trends shaping the future of automobile industry is internet connectivity. Today's car can accomplish many tasks like suggesting alternative routes, traffic holds up, and can also remotely lock and unlock the car. In the near future, connectivity would expand further beyond. The cars would be able to communicate with each other by connecting with lasers, cameras, and radars. This car will be able to create 3D map of surrounding. This eventually led us to the second trend, that is autonomous driving. Let's face it, we are human and that's why we are prone to make mistakes. That is why many manufacturers are manufacturing autonomous cars. Today, this technology is in baby stage, but as this technology will evolve, we will see more and more autonomous cars on street. Technology like 3D LiDAR along with many advancements will surely enable us to make a level 4 level 5 autonomous car in future. The best thing about autonomous vehicle is service on demand. Many shared car service like Uber have already sprung up and are on the rise. In future, this service provider will own the fleets which would be hired by the person as per their needs. Electric cars are the future. Presently they are holding their grip and challenging IC engine cars, but it is sure that the future belongs to electric cars. With these vehicles, there is no problem of emissions. Even today, the car manufacturers like Tesla, Rivian, Ford are developing cars which have range more than 500 miles. But the invention of more powerful battery and growing number of charging stations, the range anxiety today will be vanished in future. Automobile manufacturers are also looking for alternative fuel resource other than electricity. Many manufacturers like Toyota are testing their vehicles with alternative fuels like hydrogen, propane, ethanol, solar energy, dimethyl ether fuel, ammonia and many more. In future, hydrogen is second in line to electricity as the major power source for cars. Hydrogen car uses hydrogen in one of two methods, one of which being combustion and another being fuel cell conversion. In combustion method, the hydrogen is burnt in engine in fundamentally the same method as traditional gasoline car, while in fuel cell conversion method, hydrogen is turned into electricity through fuel cells, which then powers electric motors. Either of these method produce only one byproduct, that is water, which is harmless. For cars which are already rolled out on the street, making them electric is a difficult task. For such cars, dimethylene ether is a promising fuel. Dimethylene ether retains the highest C10 number with slight modification. The burning of dimethylene ethyl in diesel and petrol engine cars will produce more output and will reduce the emission of particulate matter, carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide by a long way. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have an important role in the future of automotive industry. Predictive capabilities are becoming more prevalent in cars, which are personalizing the driving experience. Many manufacturers are using algorithms to automate the setting of vehicle, including cars infotainment. Predictive vehicle technology can also be used in the form of sensors within the car that inform the owner whether or not the vehicle needs service from the mechanic. This will reduce the safety hazard linked with malfunctioning of cars. Involvement of big data and artificial intelligence have an essential role in customization of vehicles. Today, due to technologies like parking assistance and lane change, cars are only assisting drivers. But we are not far away from the future, where car will be able to communicate with each other and drive on its own. I'm looking forward for such future. Are you?